To make your bow, you're going to want to decide on the dimensions. This one is 6 inches by 2 because I want the bow to be about 3 inches. So I multiplied it by 2 and that's the length. Now the height, it has a little bit seam allowance, and what you're going to do is fold your bow, the material, into the center. These edges are going to touch right into the center like this. Then you're just going to sew straight across. Also, for the center pieces, you're going to do the same thing. These ones, for my bows, they're 2 by 2, and what I'm going to do is just fold it straight into the center, the sides, and then sew the top and bottom. Okay, now I have it sewn. See, and I left this open right here. What you're going to do is just flip it inside out through that opening, bring it in, and then with your scissors or something kind of pointy, you're just going to bring it out the corners as much as you can. That. Do the same thing to the center. Now that you have your bows flipped inside out and your centers, you can use your hot glue gun or a needle and do it down the center. I like to use the glue just because it's easier for me. But right down on the center, put a tiny little dot of glue, like that, and then just fold. Let it dry a little bit, and then you're going to bring these and bring them back. So it's creating your little bow effect. And then I put glue down on the back. Again, you can always use a needle and just go down the center with your needle. Now I put glue there, so then I'm just bringing these back so everything can touch. Okay, once you have that done, you can use your center. What I like to do is just fold it down the center again so that it has a clean edge all around, and then just start wrapping your bow like that. Okay, here's my bow. Now that I have this done, I would like to finish it off with a clip because it's going to be for her hair. You can use bows for anything else though, for like, you can decorate your clothes with them, you can put them on your purses, put them on hats. I like to put bows on my hats. So you'll grab your piece of material, decide which side is going to be on the inside. I want this to be on my inside. Cut around it. And then you can just glue it on like that. Or if you want it to look cleaner, you can always fold it in like this and then glue. Put glue on it and then just fold the edges in. Like that. And this also prevents the metal from falling off because, like I said before, fabric sticks better to fabric. And this just reinforces the glue on the metals. It like creates like a knot type thing so that it won't be able to come off. And then just glue it onto your back. And now you have your little bow clip. See how clean that looks? Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.